If I end up catching anything, I'll come back.
Fucking yes. In the basement. This is basement. Shit. Fucking yes. The basement. This is basement. Shit. Fucking yes. The basement. This is basement. Shit. Fucking yes. Basement, man. This is basement. This is the best shit you ever heard in your life. This is insane. This is another level of underground craziness. This is the fucking basement, man. The dopest fucking shit I ever heard. Welcome to the basement. This is basement. Shit. Fucking yes. The basement.
Order filled.
Fucking yes. I told you this is another level of music. I told you this is another level of underground. I told you this is another level of every fucking shit that you ever
Stop filled.
Basement, man. This is basement. This is the best shit you ever heard in your life. This is insane. This is another level of underground craziness. This is the fucking basement, man. The dopest fucking shit I ever heard. Welcome to the basement. This is basement. Shit. Fucking yes. To the basement. This is basement. Shit. Fucking yes.
Order filled. Order filled.
Fucking yes.
Order filled.
He has an ear infection. His ear.
It's a Lamborghini, baby, are you with me? She do Bobby Whitney, that booty always tempting. Why are you here simping? A single whole symphony. I took her to the Gucci store and walked out with some Tiffany. March 25th and 26th, market breakdown. Let's go and do this shit. We're gonna do the 26th first. We're gonna go backwards. What do we have? We caught a 1 to 2.5 RR today. No, I didn't catch that. That was just the target that I had that got hit. All right, I caught a 1 to 1 and 1.1. I'm only going for 1 to 1s to get this payout. So, or to get multiple payouts. I don't need anything else. Consistent days, if I have an 80% win rate and I'm winning 8 out of 10 trades, I don't need a 1 to 2. I don't want to have a 40% win rate going for 1 to 2s. It's not good on my psych. That's what I know about myself as a trader. Caught a 1 to 1 today. The initial target was down here. Could I have gone break even? Could I have trailed it? Yes. I took my profits and ran. I don't really care. I caught my dub. So, this was the full trade. It ended up hitting full TP. Got out at 1 to 1.1. So what do we see here? 4 hour. Price came up. I see this engulfing candle at 6 a.m. What am I thinking in my head? Oh, okay, cool. Look, this is holding here. All right. Got this fair value gap here. Made a push up. Came down. Maybe we're going to target these highs from Monday. No. 1 hour ended up closing bearish. Just like that. So what am I going to anticipate? Maybe some buys down to this low. Because this is the candle range. Candle range theory. I don't trade it, but today was one of those days where I traded it. I saw this order block here. I got in off of this wick right here, and we just immediately dumped in that hour. So I caught a 1 to 1.1, and then I lost on NASDAQ earlier. NASDAQ was a fucking shit show. Where was it at? Again, you go to the 4 hour. What was it? 6 a.m. I'm thinking we're probably going to target up here. No. We ended up hitting the fair value gap here on the 4 hour. Marley, you're trading in bearish structure. Why are you looking for buys? It looked clean to me. I thought we would come up a little bit higher. I think the 1 hour had a fair value gap that I would have targeted. Where was that at? Yeah, we had this. This right here is what it looked like. I thought we were probably going to come up to these highs here from London. Thought we were going to target London, so I took buys. Got cooked. I did some bad things, guys. I sinned a little bit. I started spamming sell, and I was in for about 20 contracts on the micro, which is about 2 minis on NASDAQ. I got lucky. It went down. Terrible trading. I'm only human. I was down 400 for the day. I was able to get out, be down 200 for the day. I caught another trade, broke even on that. I was break even for the day. Told myself I was done. Then this setup presented itself. Terrible trading day. Today's not a winning day for me. Today's a losing day. Today is indeed a losing day for me. Even though I made profit, it is a losing day. All right, so I don't have a screenshot of any of today, but as you can see, I made profit today. Complete bullshit. This bullshit profit. I'm not proud of it. So, let me show you guys what it looked like. Let me put this up here. All right, boom, look. Lost my first trade. That was about a $400 loss. This was all the spam. I don't know. I need to stop doing that. Look, I was in the trade for 5 seconds, bro, and I got this lucky. 5 seconds, yo. So, that can't happen if I want to be a profitable trader. So, boom. So, that was today. We caught that dub on that on YM. Again, not a great trade. Number of trades, 10. That's awful. I'm not supposed to be trading 10 times a day. Yesterday, what did we see? Yesterday, we caught a nice trade. What was it on? It was on MY. It was on a YM. So, another great trade. We ended up falling. You guys are going to see that in the video. We ended up falling. What time was this at? It was 9:53. Let me go to yesterday then. 9:53 yesterday, which was Wednesday. So, 9:47. So we got in at 9:47. So let's go to yesterday's trade. Yesterday's trade's around here somewhere. Right. So I think yesterday was this sweep right here. So on the 15-minute, I saw this sweep of these highs. What did I anticipate? I think I saw an inverse around here somewhere. Yes, I indeed saw an inverse around here somewhere. That's why I got in. Boom. I think we inversed this, and then I got in right here on these candles. I got in off of this candle test. Was it a 1-minute FEG that was there? I believe it was a 1-minute FEG. Yeah, we had this drop. We ended up fully inversing this. This is 9:44. 9:44, boom, 9:45, down. Okay, yeah. So I got in for sure right here. This is where I got in at, 9:47. Where was the price at? What price did I get in at? Sell price, 841. Boom. Yeah, so that's where I got in. I believe if I got out at a 1-to-1, I must have been going for... I think I had this high covered here. I think I had like 100 point. I had a 100-point stop, and then I went for 150. And that's exactly where I ended up. So this was yesterday's trade. This was one of those trades where I was just like, all right, if you go to the 15-minute, there's a sweep. The 1 hour swept. Everything just aligned. I believe this was London high, got swept. We ended up maintaining. We closed bearish. I got in off just to target the 830 low, which there was no news yesterday. So, yeah, and we just ended up continuing the dump. We're on a downtrend, so I just need to continue looking for sales until something tells me otherwise. I'm not going into the market every day with a bias. That's not... I don't know. But I think in order for me to keep myself accountable, I need to record myself consistently and not stop recording. Because I feel like if I stop recording, I become angsty and I start to take dumbass trades that I shouldn't be taking. So there it is. Today was a profitable day. Not the best day. I took some dumbass trades, but we move on. So that is the market breakdown for yesterday, and that is the market breakdown for today. So we're just going to slowly continue building these accounts, and we're going to start pushing towards those payouts. So continue following the journey. I appreciate you guys. All these love songs, girl, you give me love songs.
I've been in on a mission. I need you to get down and do that. Let's go outside. This will be my time. She hit like a hard time. Let's go outside. I top her outside. My blocker is outside. You want it, ever want it in mine. You want it, ever want it in mine.
Order filled.
She my type of lineup. You would never find
Order filled.
How am I supposed to let you go? How am I supposed to let you walk away? How am I supposed to let you go?